So hey there, welcome back. If you remember, or if you want to go back and look, I made this. I tried several times using this poster board for school projects, trying to make a start gate. Well, not actually a start gate, a start gate light Christmas tree kind of thing, you know, for racing, Hot Wheels racing. So I made this thing. It's kind of wobbly. All right. Cars go down. Shoom. Red, yellow, 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 green. All right. I got the wires coming out the bottom. Super glued. And I already soldered them all together. And they all go to a single string, so there's only, get over here, only 6 wires, 5 LEDs, and 1 ground. But now, guess what I got? Guess who hooked me up? That's right. Slanman hooked me up. Slanman Customs. Look at that puppy. Same thing. Exact same size. I set them the dimensions. Got the holes in the bottom. Am I off camera? Got the holes in the bottom exactly. And he made it a little fancier. You can get a little small tree and then the big tree. So, you go space in the back, add on the back plate when I get everything in, and it's going to be so cool. It's technically only 3 parts to make. There's 5 parts total. So now my dilemma is, here's all the parts. That's it. And it's exactly like this. I mean, I got the gap on the bottom to run the wires. I got the holes exactly where I want them. I guess I must have done a good job because I know he's not a mind reader. But I sent him a architectural drawing, top, bottom, left, left and right, same thing. Left, right, same thing. So I sent him some technical drawings, and he built this for me. Now my problem now is how do I get these out? I'm just going to have to destroy it.